Okay, they connect to cloud and also they connect to sensors, and we call them as edge devices, gateways, and they have many terminologies for these devices, IoT devices. Okay, uh, right now on the board you have three protocols. One is 0 to 5 volts, 4 to 20 milliamps, and a thermocouple or a temperature sensor. So they are the now widely used sensors across the automation industries, and these kind of signals are generated by these type of sensors. Different sensors have different communication protocols. They give out output signals. We call them as output signals, like 4 to 20 milliamps, 0 to 5 volts, or 4 to 20 milliamps. That is your level. Pressure can be 4 to 20, and then you have different type of thermocouples: K type, J type, S, T, E, and you have 4-wire RTD, 3-wire RTD, and you have a chip. I don't remember the name. That gives you negative values.
DS18B20.
Yeah, DS18. Fine. DS18B20. That it gives you negative values of temperature.
Means sub-zero.
Sub-zero temperatures.
Okay.
Like if I want to monitor a freezer or a server room where things go below 0 degrees.
Yeah.
So all those type of temperature sensors, they also get connected to the edge devices. And then you have flow. Flow can be pulse train, it can be 4 to 20 milliamps. So you have different variety of sensors depending on accuracy, right? It all depends on how accurately you want to measure the things. That is where you decide the type of sensor you want, and they can have different ranges. Pressure sensors have different ranges. Temperature sensors have different ranges. So all these things are covered and programmed with these devices. These microcontrollers are embedded systems. They are particularly designed for a particular type of sensor, and then they are given IDs. Can you see that? IDs. So each device is unique in itself. Each device connects to a cloud in a unique address. We call it as address. So they connect to different databases, and they are all unique with their ID. That means they cannot cross talk, like the data from this going to data on this dashboard. It cannot happen. That is ensured by the edge computing and programming in the edge, the which URL it has to get connected. So this is there in these what I can say edge devices or IoT devices or gateways.